With marketing changing as rapidly as it is, it can be difficult to know how to market effectively. So instead, we spend hundreds of hours creating content that gets absolutely nowhere. That's why in this video, I am going to share 3 things that you can start doing today that will make your marketing way more effective and easier on you too. I also snuck in a short little bonus tip there, so make sure you stick around till the end. Set aside time to plan. When trying to market our businesses, it can be so easy to just forego planning and post something just to have content being posted. But honestly, you're doing more harm than good. In order for your marketing to be effective, you really need to have a strategy behind it, a plan of what your goals are and how you will achieve them. So set aside some time to sit down and create a plan for your marketing. This will make your content more targeted and make it way easier to build your following. Use a scheduler. Social media schedulers are good for a few reasons. Obviously because you can schedule content ahead of time, but also because you can see all of your content at a glance. This is an invaluable tool as it makes it easy to spot any issues and adjust your content on the fly if you decide you want to go in a different direction. It also makes your planning phase way easier as you can quickly look back on last week's or last month's content to plan what you want to post in the future. Repurpose, repurpose, repurpose. As we say constantly, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just attach it to a different wagon. So you can take your 3-minute video and create 3 to 4 30-second clips. Take your 15-minute live and pull out 3 to 4 videos from that. Make your video script into a blog. Take that blog and make it a LinkedIn article. Take quotes from that same blog to make your social graphics. The possibilities are endless. You don't have to spend hours and hours each week trying to create all new content. Instead, use your content to its fullest extent. And a bonus tip, don't be afraid to experiment. There is no one type of content that is guaranteed to bring in followers or increase conversions. The only way to find out what content your audience will love is to keep on trying different things. So that was 3.5 things you can do right now to make your marketing in 2022 way more effective without making it more difficult for you. If you like this video, hit the like button so we know that you want to see more content like it. And if you want to see more ways to make your marketing more effective, then hit that big red subscribe button because we post videos right here on our channel twice a week talking about all aspects of marketing. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your momentum going.